In today's video, I will walk you through how to add indicator to Metatrader 5 chart. Start by opening Metatrader 5 until you can see your chart on the screen. Once your chart is visible, move your cursor to the top left corner of the platform. At the top menu, click on Insert. This menu contains the tools you'll use to place different items directly onto your chart. After clicking Insert, move your cursor down and select Indicators. Once you open the Indicators menu, you'll see a list of different indicators that you can choose from. Browse through the available options until you find the one you want to use. For this example, select Moving Average. As soon as you click it, a settings window will appear. This is where you can adjust the indicator before it is added to your chart. Inside the settings window, locate the period field. Enter the period you want to use. In this example, set it to 20. After entering the period, move to the averaging method. You'll see several choices, including simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. Select exponential from the list. Next, find the Apply To option and make sure it is set to close. This determines which price the moving average will use. If you'd like to change the appearance of the indicator, you can also adjust its color before adding it to the chart. Locate the color setting and select the color you want. In this example, choose blue. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, review everything one more time to make sure the period, averaging method, apply to option, and color are set the way you want them. When you're ready, click OK. Metatrader 5 will immediately add the moving average to your chart using the settings you selected. You'll now see the indicator displayed directly on top of your price chart. If you want to add another indicator later, simply return to the Insert menu, select Indicators again, choose a different indicator, adjust its settings if needed, and click OK to add it to the chart. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an indicator to your Metatrader 5 chart using the built-in indicator menu and customized its settings before applying it. Thank you for watching.